Hello, I'm in a 2013 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a lever like this to pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. Always double check too, this cable is attached with a little tightness. If it's not, something that you'll need to address. Then up front, most vehicle models, there's a lever somewhere towards the middle to open it. This one's here, so we'll push and lift. Push and lift. That's it. Unfortunately, got these nice hydraulics to hold it up. This is where it's hooked onto. This is what this mechanism looks like. If you're having issues, make sure everything's tight, straight, nothing bent. There's no debris stuck in here. Maybe spray some WD-40 if you need to loosen it up. That's it. And then also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that might cause issues as well. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.